Welcome to the Websphere Message Broker application integration demo. This demo focuses on how the integration capabilities of Websphere Message Broker middleware can help JK Industries transform a typical sales order processing software that integrates heterogeneous enterprise systems such as Siebel .NET application, SAP, IBM CICS transaction server, and IBM Worklight. Let us consider the sales order management system of JK Industries. Here, we are trying to address a complex integration problem where the sales order management software helps a customer to place an order and subsequently process the sales order through different stages like credit check, inventory allocation, invoice generation, shipment of the order, and the fund collection. All these processes are attached to a process application which drives the entire business flow. Here, a diverse set of back-end systems are being used to accomplish the tasks. The customer details and the order details are maintained in Siebel. The credit check history is maintained in the SQL Server database, and the logic is implemented in Microsoft.NET. The inventory details are maintained in SAP, whereas the invoice and shipment functionality is implemented in a legacy system which is the CICS transaction server running on z/OS. The financial module which takes care of the funds is implemented in PeopleSoft. JK Industries allows the customers to check their order status through a mobile application which queries the order status in Siebel through a proprietary mobile-based interface. This slide portrays how the applications in sales order management systems are connected point to point to the respective back-end systems. For example, Create Sales Order application connects to SAP to retrieve the available item details and then connects to Siebel to create the new sales order by sending the request message. Similarly, other applications in this module connect to back-end systems to perform various tasks in order to process the sales order. You can clearly see that this solution lacks standardization. As the enterprise grows, more and more systems and applications are added, and it would become even more complicated. Interconnection among this diverse set of applications, ERP systems, legacy systems, and supporting software on mobile platform is a formidable challenge faced by JK Industries. Using customized point-to-point connectivity and proprietary protocols not only makes the entire software solution less flexible, but also makes maintenance difficult. Enhancing such a software solution is often a difficult task and expensive too. To address these problems of interconnection among this diverse set of applications, ERP systems, and legacy systems, and also to promote the use of open standards in addition to supporting software on mobile platform, IBM offers the best-in-class flagship middleware product, Websphere Message Broker, with the aim to make the solution simpler, easier to maintain, much more flexible, robust and scalable, specifically to address future requirements. Let's now take a quick look at the integration capabilities that can be leveraged by using Websphere Message Broker. Websphere Message Broker offers seamless integration with ERP systems like SAP and Siebel, and legacy systems like IBM CICS transaction server running on z/OS. Microsoft.NET application integration has recently been introduced with Websphere Message Broker version 8, which allows connectivity to Microsoft.NET applications. Message Broker version 8 supports integration capabilities with applications on mobile platform using IBM Worklight, which is a part of IBM Mobile Application Development Platform. The product also comes with a pattern for IBM Worklight integration. Websphere Message Broker supports the parsing of messages conforming to open standards like JSON, XML, and data objects, which are widely used industry standards. Message Broker provides a wide range of transformation, routing capabilities, and scalable connectivity infrastructure, which are primary mediation tasks for application integration. Websphere Message Broker provides you unmatched connectivity and integration solution across heterogeneous enterprise infrastructure, which are extremely scalable and reliable. This results in faster turnaround time, reduced implementation cost, ease of maintenance, and keeps you a few steps ahead in the game. This slide displays how Websphere Message Broker fits into the sales order management system to integrate a diverse set of applications. Every application creates a request message and sends the message to the respective input queue. Message Broker picks up this message, transforms it, and then retrieves the required information from the backend systems. Once Message Broker has received the details from the backend systems, it transforms the message in a format that is requested by the application and sends this message to another queue. The application now picks up this message from the queue and processes it as per the business logic. Similarly, each front-end application talks to the corresponding back-end systems through Websphere Message Broker and gets a response. As you can see, with the introduction of Message Broker, the solution looks a lot simpler, modular, flexible, and scalable. In this example, we have used Websphere Message Queue as an interface to connect to Websphere Message Broker. With Websphere Message Broker, organizations of any size can eliminate point-to-point connections and batch processing in order to increase business flexibility and smart interoperability of systems, regardless of platform, protocol, or data format, and data transformation, spanning heterogeneous IT environments, providing system-wide connectivity. Message Broker version 8 also supports IBM Worklight integration, which is a part of the IBM Mobile Foundation family of products that provides the elements needed for complete mobile development, deployment, and management within an enterprise. It provides an open, comprehensive, and advanced mobile application platform for smartphones and tablets, helping enterprises to expose their IT services through the mobile channel. This slide portrays a negative scenario where the credit check validation fails. Here the business flow is terminated by the credit check application upon determining the credit check limit. The credit check limit is received from the .NET application through Message Broker in the form of a message. This modular design approach helps you to clearly define and segregate business logic and integration logic. Integration logic here is implemented within Websphere Message Broker, whereas the business logic is taken care of by the process application. This makes the entire solution easy to comprehend and maintain. In this scenario, the Create Sales Order application needs to connect to the Siebel system to create a new sales order. We shall now see how easily you can connect to an ERP system such as Siebel using Message Broker to implement this integration. We will start with creating an adapter connection using the Adapter Connection Wizard as displayed here. At this point, you will need to provide the Siebel libraries, the connection URL, the parameters to connect to the Siebel system, that is, the IP address, the port number, the user credentials, and so on. You need to select the discovered business objects in their module. Proceed with the wizard and finally click the Finish button on the wizard. And you can see that an adapter config file has been created. Now, all you need to do is drag and drop this adapter file into the message flow palette and connect the nodes as required. Now, we are ready to deploy this message flow into the message broker. This is the user interface of the sales order where the user logs in. Click the New Order button. Specify the item number and quantity. To place the order, click the Submit button. You can see the new order request confirmation. Now, let us check our order in the Siebel client console. You can see the order number 100/25 created with the status shown as new. Moving to the next module, the credit check application needs to connect to the .NET service to retrieve the credit limit. Let us now see how to develop the .NET integration flow in the Message Broker toolkit. It is as simple as importing an existing DLL file, dragging it, and dropping it onto the palette. Double-click the .NET node and Microsoft Visual Studio IDE is launched, where you can call existing .NET methods to develop the integration logic. Now drag and drop the flow into Message Broker execution group. You can see the flow is deployed in the broker. Coming back to the user interface, click the Next button to validate the credit limit. We have enabled a debugger to show the message processing in the flow. You can see the request message containing the item details here. The request message is processed through the .NET node, and the response message displays that the credit check has passed. The status of the credit check is displayed in the browser. Click the Next button to process the order. The request message comes to the inventory flow with the item details as shown for update in SAP. Proceed forward with the flow debugger and you can see the success message returned by SAP. The output XML messages are shown in the toolkit. The flow now progresses for invoice generation and shipment. The IBM CICS transaction server flow is invoked and the customer address details are retrieved from Siebel and sent to the CICS transaction server along with the order details. Proceed with the debugger and you can see a success message returned by the CICS transaction server confirming that the order has been shipped. Now the flow will update the order status in Siebel. This is a mobile browser simulator where you can enter the sales order details to view the order status. Specify the account number and the order number and click Submit. The request goes to the broker through Worklight and retrieves the order status from Siebel using message flow. You receive the response saying your order is shipped. We have now deployed the same Worklight application on a smartphone as shown. Specify the order request as shown in the simulator and get the order status. This brings us to the end of the demo on sales order application integration using Websphere Message Broker. For more information about the Websphere Message Broker product, visit us online.